Hello there, friends. Welcome to my channel, This Kitchen Rendezvous. And if it is your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And if you are new subscribers, please, thank you so much for joining us. And I really appreciate it. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Without further ado, let's start cooking with ThE. Happy Sunday, everyone. May God bless you all. And thanks for watching. Today's recipe is how to make oven grill red snapper fish. Stay tuned and keep on watching. And I hope you guys are doing well. First, we are going to caramelize some fresh ingredients along with some oil to give the fish a very nice flavor. Once the oil and all the ingredients infuse together, then you're ready for the next step. Next, with that being said, I have already cleaned my fish. I let it soak on salt, water, and vinegar, including lime juice. Once done, I wash it very well with cold water. Then I took it out and start seasoning my fish. Then I took about 3 to 4 tablespoons of my Haïtian Epis, which is the main spice for the fish to smell amazing. As you guys can see, I took the fresh thyme along with the rosemary. I placed it inside the fish and start seasoning and marinated my fish. My loves, be sure to marinate the fish very well because all the ingredients marinated in the fish will give it a different flavor and the fish will smell and taste amazing at the end. I did prepare some vegetables to lay down on my baking sheets. The vegetables are carrots, some small bell peppers, onions, leeks, garlic, and parsley. Those veggies will help not losing the juices that will come out of the fish, and they also give the fish a different type of smell as well. I'm telling you guys, this fish right there was so delicious. And of course, if you do it this kitchen style, you will not miss anything, guys. Now go ahead and put it into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Each side depends on your oven. My loves, be sure to flip the fish side once the other side is done cooking. I baked the fish on 450 degrees for about 15 minutes each side, guys. Meanwhile, I am making a very nice vinaigrette combined with some ingredients. I chopped up some tomatoes and some onion. Then your vinaigrette is ready. This is the final product, guys. Look at it. Look at that. I hope you give this recipe a try and I hope you like it. And thanks for watching. Bye.